I get this question all the time. What makes Infusible ink different than Sublimation? Infusible ink is different than Sublimation. Sublimation traditionally is going to use a printer ink. You're going to print it out, and then you're going to use heat press or easy press. You're going to then press it down onto it. So Sublimation printer is actually doing all of that. Infusible ink, they've taken the ink and printed it out already for you, put it on a carrier sheet, made it to where it could be cut in a machine, and it's very easy to use, very convenient. Everyone will say, can I use any mug in this? Yes and no. CRICUT, of course, released their own mugs when they came out. You can get them in 12 or 15 ounce. Now, in order for sublimation to work, which is what Infusible ink is, it has to be a certain amount of polyester in that coating. If you do not have that, it will not do the transfer. That's just how sublimation works.